medical research. God something else, isn't he? You want to fight? Good, fight. It's good. We need more guinea pigs. Oh boy, guinea pigs. Whew. Harvest them. Peninsula bound. Yeah, I thought I was gonna go straight up the creek even today, but well, maybe soon. I'm gonna have to soon. Woo. I think I want to kind of conserve until I hit the ascent, which is the last 30% of this thing. Let's see what happens with this. GoPro. Hold on. GoPro. Be careful here. Mr. GoPro. See, there's a lot of green stuff. I don't know if you can see it. These boots are a little bit better, but the other one I got, oh boy, not at all. Yeah. So, let's get some. Let's. All right. Let's get into some kind of territory here. Yeah. You know, it could be just, I should just be booking. I used it in some kind of online dictionary. I should just go booking. Up the other side and get to my target. Yeah, enough of this. All right, let's go booking like the old times. Actually, I never used that word till now. Oh, maybe I did. That was always cousin. Hey. Yeah, let's go booking. The hell with it. I mean, you know, I do it because the creek is so beautiful. Woo! You know, I love the water. I should go up there. You know, I should. I mean, that's what I get. Yeah, man. Let's just do it. Let's just go. Yeah, I love these sticks. Definitely, I agree to the shepherd's staff. Yeah, I like them. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. You know, I'm just gonna hug this little thing here. Am I good? Trying to hug it. Oops. Lost my phone. Whew. Oh, there's this is where I cross. Waterfall. Hold on. Let me give you some music. I want to hear myself breathing. Whew. I'm hot too. Oh yeah. Better than too hot. Uh-oh. I might have the screen against the wetness in my head. Let's see what happens. Oh boy, I want to take off my coat. Oh boy. Let's go. Let's see what happens. I think I go up higher. I'm gonna try this. I think I do. I thought it was. Stay here. All right, I'll stay here. All right. I should go up there. I just. All right, let's just do it. Woo! I gotta go back up. I go back up. See? Oh, I think my phone is affected. Yeah. I gotta go this way. Yeah. Woo! You can do magic! Yeah! Alright. Don't lose that. Gotta go a little slower. Slow. Slow, huh? Alright, we'll try a little bit. I don't know. Marine, go slow. No, I can do it. Alright. Hey, you got snoop and poop. Sneak and peek. Whatever. Oh yeah. Magic. You can do what you desire. Look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful, man. Oh, that's deep right there. That's deep. That's deep in there. Oh, that's a little water hole there. That's a little water hole. Oh, don't lose the phone, Sam. Come on now. You said you wouldn't do so. Don't lose it. Take it easy now. Man, you're not even close. 70%. Okay. Oh, I love it. This little bend here. The way the sun glistens. Let's look. You hold you tight. Look at that. A little warmer up here for some reason. I trust nothing. Never trust nothing. Yeah, especially when. Oh, I gotta be careful. Woo! Oh, Tony, what are you doing? Oh, thank God. Fuck that poison. Go to Mount Sinai. Woo! What do we got here? Look at this. Yeah, man. Huh? Yep. Look what the Creator has done. Yeah. Yep. All right. Come back in the 21st century. Documented on film for all the future generations. How wonderful. David Attenborough. How wonderful, huh? Alright, which way did I go? I went that way. I'm gonna try this. I really don't know where my jacket is. I mean, did I? You know darn well it's your spell. It's your... Do 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 do. All right, I think I got a little distance. I don't think there's people here. So you know, it serves multi-purpose. Clean the lungs, open up, and just in case Mr. Bear, you know, don't let him think about eating you or anything. You gotta show your alpha. You gotta tell him you're the children of God and you dominate this planet. Just like that's what the purpose of a dog, so-called man's best friend in America. Never be afraid in front of a dog. Dog's here to serve man, and he'll bark at you because you're a piece of shit because you don't have faith in God. You have to have solid alpha. Of course, scumbags could use it in the realm of Satan and drill instructor. Everybody's a scumbag. Good people, bad people. Ah, fuck this stuff. Man, I'm gonna lose my phone. You gotta be careful here. What can I do here? Should have had this. You know, I'm gonna try something here. I don't care. I'm gonna try something. Hold on. I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know. I don't know if that's not gonna help, is it? Maybe. I don't know, man. I'm gonna try. Hold on. Hold on, peeps of the earth. I don't want to lose my phone. Tired of losing my phone, man. I'm gonna wrap my head with tefillin. Hold on, baby. Hopefully I wrapped it good. No, that's up to Baruch Hashem. Double mouth there. Ooh, nice and tight. Maybe I can shake my head then. Oh, I need something. Okay. Ooh, kind of like it. Oh boy, sweat. Salt in the eye! Salt in the eye! I think I like it. I think it's gonna work. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that feels good to me. I like that. All right. Look at this. Let's see another night.